Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kohlrabi, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with kohlrabi. So if you have some and you're looking for some different way to flavor it, hopefully this will help you out. On this list we have anise, basil, caraway seeds, cayenne, chervil, cumin, curry powder, curry spices, dill, marjoram, mint, mustard powder, mustard seeds, nutmeg, paprika, parsley, rosemary, salt, tarragon, thyme, and also lemon thyme, and turmeric. I do hope this helps. Take care now. Bye for now.